Excuse me, are you finished your breakfast? May I clear up your breakfast? Excuse me, have you finished? May I clear up?
Room service.
Good morning, Mom. My name is Devinta from Room Service Department. I will serve your order, Mom. Where can I put your order, Mom? This is your apple juice, mango juice, sliced fruit, bread, pudding with foie, fried rice with satay and sunny side up, and these cutleries. It is alright, Mom. Anything can I help you, Mom? Excuse me, this is your bill. Your order amount 1020 rupiahs. Please assignment here and your bill will be included with your room. Thank you.
Room service. Alright, now. Room service. Repeat order.
Excuse me, are you finished your breakfast? May I clear up your breakfast? Excuse me, have you finished? May I clear up? Thank you.